Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform phone setup on a Redmi Note 14 Plus. So you have to start by clicking on this arrow button, and here you can select your language, and then click on this button to go next. Now you can select your region and then click next again. And here you have to agree to terms and conditions and click next. Now you can set up using another device, or you can just click skip. Here you can check for SIM card, or you can just click next. And you can connect to a network, or you can click skip. Now you have to scroll down and click accept. And here you can set up your screen lock, or you can click skip. Now you have to scroll down and click next. And here you can turn on parental controls, or you can click next. Now you can select your font, or you can just click next. And here you can set up your lock screen, or you can just click skip. Now you have to choose your navigation mode between classic and with app drawer, and then click next. And now click on this arrow button. And as you can see, my Android system is now ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.